The new year started with a major snowstorm. The entire United States of America is getting hit. Low temperatures, snow, and it's not no little amount of snow. A whole heap of snow a fall. So everyone is hunkered down inside their homes. And I made some boiled green bananas. One of Jamaica's favorite breakfasts is what I am making. Boiled green bananas with some steamed callaloo. This is not just any callaloo, This is homegrown. This is homegrown greens. Homegrown callaloo straight from outer Connecticut. This was sent to me. Homegrown, healthy, nice stuff. What can be nicer than this? When it's a mess outside with all that snow and low temps. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I steam this up and how I prepare my snowstorm Sunday morning breakfast to hunker down inside with. Stay tuned, guys, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Now, man, if you watch the video, subscribe. plating them. Just do a bowl thing. You understand? My callaloo, and that's homegrown callaloo. See it here? Callaloo, plenty of iron. Sprinkle some black pepper on it, and the boiled green bananas that earlier soft and break up, and 2 slices of bread. The bread freshly baked, so look how it separate. See it? And I toast them up little. And a cold first snowy wintry Sunday. I will get down in this. A chocolate nice with the marshmallows. They're nice and melty. See that? Yeah. With the silk almond milk. Alright, let me try the callaloo and green banana now. Mm-hmm. That is it. Nice with the marshmallows. Nice and gooey. The almond milk, nice. And as you see, me sprinkle a little bit of nutmeg on top. And just a little bit of vanilla essence. Try the green banana with the callaloo. Homegrown callaloo makes so much of a difference. Really good. Mm-hmm. With the hardwood bread. Mm-hmm. And a nice one. Soft. So good. People don't watch my bowl. A shortcut on time and labor. The hardwood bread, so good. It's been a while since I had this together. First snowstorm for 2024. There was much more out here yesterday, but it was super freezing cold. I didn't make it out yesterday. The sun is out nice and bright, nice and shiny. They cleaned up nicely. Don't know exactly how many inches of snow we had, but I'm guessing 9 to 12. The news say 9 to 12. All day yesterday, that was all that was on the news. Weather report. And other areas got way more. The northeast was slammed with snow. Cars slipping and skidding and sliding all day. So here's a view of parts of the property. So I'm going to take a walk further down and around to view the damage. Temperature right now, they say it's in the 30s, but there's a breeze that will definitely do damage. And they say next week we're supposed to get another snowstorm. If I fall, nobody laughs. Ooh, I gotta blow my nose. Hold on. Cool people. just breeze. When it's windy like this, you can't forget it. See, look at the trees. See all that breeze going? All that breeze. Yeah. Look at all the slush. See that? You would slide in at that. It will bust you behind in that. All the snow blowing, so you know it's definitely windy. I think the kids are out playing in it. I'm just walking around the property and observing. I'm not going down that hill. The kids are out playing in the snow. Just sticking to my area, my neck of the woods. People just now getting a chance to walk their dogs and get some well needed exercise. Oh,
Did you make an angel in it? You did? I want to do that too, but then I'm afraid I won't get up again because I'm an old lady.
I'm the same way too. So we're both in the same shoes. I totally agree.
Yeah, it's on the cream to pick me up.
Me too. Hey, me too. Oh dear. I'm telling you.
And I'll be so stupid to wish I was a grown up.
Okay, she does the same thing. We all did. Can't wait to get big.
What I want when I want.
Exactly. Have a good day.
Thank you too.
Thank you. All right. I'm going to attempt to make pizza for the first time. A personal size pizza. And these are my ingredients. The yeast packet said to heat quarter cup of water. I don't know if that's quarter cup. And add to it to activate the yeast. So I have a small pot on with some water, and then I'm going to add the yeast to it. So it says to proof the yeast before using it. And it's really a bread yeast. But I'm going to use it, substitute it for the, just to make the pizza. Listen, I'm not cooking for the Food Network. I just want a quick thing me I put together to see how it comes out. So I'm gonna let the water boil, and then I'm gonna add what they say, quarter teaspoon of yeast to quarter cup warm water, and then see what we have from there. Stay tuned. So they say quarter cup of the warm water, I don't have a measurement for quarter cup, so I'm just gonna go with about that much. And then I'm gonna add the yeast. They say to use the whole package, but like I say, I'm not making much. So I'm going to go with maybe I don't know, maybe a half a teaspoon or a teaspoon. Let's see how it looks and mix it in. So I'm gonna go with probably about this amount, which is like a half a teaspoon, and I'm gonna put it in the warm water and mix it. And they say it's supposed to bubble. I think I might need a little more. Let's try just a little bit more. I could smell that yeast already. Look like a more than a teaspoon, you know. And then so to mix it in, we're trying to get it activated, and this supposed to bubble. Okay. Me not get no whipper bubble, you know, but them say it's supposed to bubble. But here I go on. I'm gonna just go on with this because, like me say, a yeast it must do something to the little pan pizza, right? I just homemade pizza. If the dough not swell up so big, but me I gonna go with this. Me I gonna let it sit for a little, and we'll see what happen. Stay tuned, guys. All right, now so me I gonna mix this in. Right, I have about what is? Let's say about a cup of flour. Regular all-purpose flour, people. Regular all-purpose. I'm gonna mix in the yeast mixture little by little, and get a dough going and see what develops. So we're gonna keep doing this while we go. Any more water needed? I'm gonna add. It's the first time I'm doing this, but I just decided to do it. Snow outside, only for snow out there, and indoor activity. My hands are clean. Maybe I should use my hands now that the dough has come together. It's a little sticky, but I think that's the consistency we're looking for. It's nice and warm too. See, the dough is sticky, just a little bit. Not crazy sticky, just nice and soft. And we're gonna knead it. I think we're supposed to knead it, right? It's not like when me I do dumpling. When me I do dumpling, me no knead it, you know. Me no need the flour all hard, like most people do it when making dumplings, because to me, it come out too tough. You want to be able to cut in your dumpling and it nice and soft. So this is not dumpling, so trying to make a little personal pan pizza. And I know that when you're doing bread dough or pizza or anything like that, you often need the dough, right? So I'm gonna do that. I don't claim to know everything, my first time doing it, so I'm gonna go ahead and knead this, and we're gonna come back from there. See, it's sticky, but I think that's what we're looking for. So we'll come back and see how this look, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So this is the result of the dough. It didn't raise that much, but it raised a little bit. Like I said, it's my first time doing this, so you know, it's touch and go. I have the oven on 400 degrees set to pizza and make it go and warm up, and we're gonna go from there. So the dough is still sticky. It proofed a little bit, but not a lot. People, so when I left with here, I don't know what it is. I had to add flour. It was so sticky. So me I go flour the surface, all kind of stuff in it. See the pieces of the dough, all of that, ray. So I'm just gonna put a little flour here, right? And then we just go press it up. I'm not a rolling pin. I don't have a rolling pin. So this is gonna be my rolling pin for the day. Don't you laugh. Don't you laugh. We're doing a rustic pizza. See it stick to the buckle? So that means I'm gonna have to flour the bottle some more. See, we're learning as we go, right? See, the bottle needs flouring. What I might do is use my hand and press this bad boy out, right? So here goes nothing, people. I wasn't gonna film this, I just decided to film it as a fun and crazy little video, right? Them always say use a lot of flour, and I think I need to get some more flour, so I'm gonna do that and come back. All right, that don't look too bad. Not too bad. It look like a cocoa bread. It looks like a cocoa bread or a patty, but I'm gonna go with this. I don't want to use that bottle again for it to stick. I don't have a rolling pin, so I'm gonna use my hand. I don't think pizza's supposed to have any particular shape, right? Like I said, I'm not doing nothing professionally, right? It's not a cooking competition. I'm just making pizza. It's snow day, no school. The kids are out, and I just decided to do this as a fun project. But boy, pizza look like it a go ugly. Make it rest a little bit. Me I go get my pan and spray it. Spray the pan, not too much. All right. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's too much. But see, we're gonna rub that all over. Me not putting my hand in it because my hand's still working with the dough. Rub it all over because the pizza going to spread all over in there. Then I'm gonna move this to the pan and try and spread it out some more. Well, I mean, I know that pizza is going to come out, for real. Pizza look like it. It's a man hunger, me people. Wow, wow, wow. That's good enough. The dough a man hunger, me people. All right. I'm going to stop trying to go for a particular shape and just make a dough. All right, people. May I use this, right? Like me say, me not cook for the Food Network. So, I'm not being fancy schmancy, as they would say. So, I'm going to spread that on. You put enough sauce. We don't know how this will come out, But, you sauce it up, you see me? We're saucing it up, right? Then we have to add on some cheese. Let's see what kind of cheese we're using. Turn the bag, let's see. Pull it over here. We are using a Mexican blend. Cheddar, Monterey Jack. So it's thick cutter, shredded cheddar and Monterey Jack. Good combo. It's a Mexican blend. So it's pretty much a quesadilla, but cheese. A cheese. We're going to make it nice and cheesy. Put a lot of cheese on there, right? Let's cover all the areas. All the areas. So we're gonna use a lot of cheese. The oven well heated. Put some more. Hold your hand closer and put some more. Get it on there. We have to get off the sheet pan because it's more cleaning up to do. So we're gonna add the cheese and come back, okay? So we're gonna add the pepperoni. We are adding pepperoni to it. That's starting to look good already. I think that's enough pepperoni, yeah? I think that's enough. So I'm adding a little bit of granulated garlic. Not much. I like garlic on my pizza. And a little oregano. Again, not much because this has a strong flavor to it. Just a little bit of oregano. I think we could do it a little bit more on here. So I'm gonna shove it in here. It's the air grill, but I have it on pizza where it's going to bake, and I'm gonna leave it in there at 400 degrees for about 15 minutes. And then we're gonna come back and see what we have. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. See if we can shift it around here now. It's like a stick, you know. Alright, people, so another look there. It's coming along. It's coming along. We just shift it so it a stick, you know. I kind of turn it a little bit and get it going. See, that look nice. Smell good too. It can come along. So just stay tuned and watch the progress here. Alright, guys, see you now. Ready now. Ready like Freddy, people. See you now. Don't want to burn myself. See me? Wow, look at that. Look at that. Turn this off. It was just about to go off as well. See, you know, ready for slice up. You hear me? Not bad, right? But the taste is what's gonna separate the coward from the big dogs, as they would say. All right, cut. See, me can cut this through. It hot, you know. A rustic pizza. Ooh, that look good, people. Look at that. Whoa. Spin this round and cut again, right? Cutting out. Not too big pieces, but nice little size. Nice little slice size. My foot hold on to the pan. The bake sheet hot. Alright. See there? So let's get some plated up. Right? And we'll see what we have. There it is. Yes, so see my one, you know. There it is, guys. Homemade pepperoni pizza. Personal size. And this is the little ones portion. Right? So she's gonna try it and let her know how it tastes. Alright, taste test time. Here we go. She like it, she like it, she like it. It good, people. See, my lips dry, I eat all morning. Wow. What's wrong? Wow. I'm amazed. Try it. Mm-mm. Tastes really good. Tastes like a thin crust pizza. It's nice. And the dough came out nice and soft enough. See? Mm-mm. It's nice. Try it, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Alright?